This video will show you how to install the Xcluder rodent-proof door sweep. First things first, be sure to wear your safety glasses and safety gloves. Before you begin, note that the Xcluder door sweep is most commonly mounted on the outside of the door. Step 1. Measure the door and, if necessary, cut sweep to fit. This step may not be necessary if you have a standard size door. Your sweep may have come with pre-installed guards on one or both sides. If your sweep has guards on only one side, cut from the side without guards. If your sweep has guards on both sides, simply remove guards from one side by sliding guards off using the edge of a flathead screwdriver. This is the side you will cut. Remember to keep the guards so they can be reinstalled after making your cut. When cutting, best results are obtained by first using a hacksaw to cut through the aluminum retainer, and then using sturdy shears or a cutoff wheel to cut the rubber and excluder filling. Sawing through the excluder filling is not recommended. Step 2. Now install end guards on the sweep. You can use the end of the sweep with the metal end guards already installed as a model. Using a standard screwdriver, gently separate excluder filling from the metal mesh in a 1/2 inch wide by 3/4 inch deep section at the middle of both faces on the sweep. Drive the blade of a large flathead screwdriver into the looped end of the guard. This will separate the open end. If you can't get enough force to open the guard as shown, try placing the end guard on its side on a flat, sturdy surface. Then drive the screwdriver down into the looped end. Place the opened end guard flat side out onto one of the edges of the door sweep, where the excluder filling was separated from the metal mesh. Holding the end guard in place with your thumb, pull the screwdriver from the end guard. Then, using the screwdriver handle, tap the excluder end guard flush with the edge of the door sweep. Repeat these steps for the remaining unguarded door sweep edge. Step 3. Next, close the door. Hold the sweep at the bottom of the door so it is 1/8 inch above the threshold of the floor. Pro tip: use a thin piece of corrugated cardboard to hold the sweep at proper height. Note that leaving this slight gap is important because the rubber seal will expand when the sweep is fastened to the door. Without this gap, the sweep could cause the door to bind and possibly damage the sweep. Step 4. Once the sweep is positioned correctly, drill pilot holes at the slots through the rubber and into the door using a 7/64 inch bit. Step 5. Attach the sweep using the included stainless steel mounting screws. Make sure the door sweep makes even contact with the door. Installation of the Xcluder door sweep is now complete. Pro tip: for doors that have a threshold and need to accommodate a slightly uneven surface, or for doors that include a brush seal, the door sweep can be mounted on the door interior. Just measure between the door stops and subtract 1/8 of an inch. Then proceed with the installation as described previously. If your door swings out over a very uneven surface, consider installing an Xcluder auto door bottom instead of a door sweep so as to ensure a firm seal. Have other entry points that rodents and pests use to get inside? We have you covered. See the full line of proven exclusion products at buyxcluder.com.